Bring the garbage out here.
So you can see a setup here. The boys were watching a movie that I downloaded last night. Something to do in the evening, and the generator running so it can charge up phones and stuff like that. My wife has made nice mosquito netting over our beds, because you always get some mosquitoes coming in, right? Beep 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 beep, yeah! What you got there? Here comes a trucker with a load. Oh yeah, there we go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Can we get close to that deck? Okay, keep going.
A nice big rock too. That's who likes rocks. Go ahead. Yeah. You'll be fine. It's a beautiful way to spend the evening. Waiting for the boys to come back. Hopefully with that kayak. Maybe I'll send the drone out again in a little while and see, because they were muscling through the weeds on the other side to get to the shore. Thing here.
Great, yeah, someone's eating it.
Huh. Yeah, there's probably some animals like the taste of the salt from sweat.
Yeah.
You know, so they nibble on it a bit, but still.
Oh, we'll flip it over. You can see where the holes are. They look like teeth marks.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Two biters in the front.
Yeah, yeah. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.